Hi guys. So in this video we'll see some basic games. So the one prerequisite to play any games here is some of them which I found is you have to install Play Store app. Play Store app I have installed. It doesn't work, but these games need it. So I've installed the Play Store app, and then let's see some games like Beach Buggy Racing and Mousebot. So these games can be played using our standard MITV remote. I tried Sony PS3 remote. I could not get paired to using Bluetooth, but if I use the same remote using USB cable, it does work fine, but it's very tedious to play using USB cable. And there's another option that if you have a USB receiver for the PlayStation 3 remote, that can also work fine. So for now I'm going to demo these games using the standard TV remote. So let's start this game, BB Racing. Not a very hi-fi graphics games, but this does works. At least you can have some game if you have kids in your home. Keeping these. So I'm using the OK button of my remote, and these are playing fine. So I'm using these buttons, left right buttons from the remote to play. Graphics is pretty good. I don't see any lag. This does get play fine. And the user interface is completely integrated with the remote, so you can browse all the options, settings, menu. I'm not a very good gamer, as you can see. So as you can see, this game does get play fine, and all the controls are browsable using the TV remote. As you can see, all this does work fine. So let's see some other game. This another game I found, this Mousebot. This also get played fine. You can just press the back button if you get this warning. like here you have to get the cheese. So that's all for this video. I'm trying to play the high graphics game. I'm experimenting with but so far there is no luck. I tried Asphalt 8. It did downloaded a lot of data, but then there seems to be some problem. It doesn't play fine. So please do subscribe the channel. As and when I get some success on other high resolution game, I will let you know. Thanks. Bye.